no wind, having just been through the most almighty rain shower, and had the wind basically 360. A pretty big cloud came from the northwest. I think we're going to see a few of them today, which is going to be pretty tough and tricky. Hopefully everyone's getting them and it's not just us, but it's not a huge amount of options for trying to avoid them because we're basically on the wind, so yeah.
She's proper defo.
I can't hear it. Geriatric watch. Poor Juju.
It is as well, isn't it?
Justin keeps us young.